What if the moments that break your heart are the very ones that build your soul? Napoleon Hill, the visionary behind Think and Grow Rich, believed that pain is not a punishment but a powerful teacher. It's the raw material that shapes the strongest, most compassionate, and purpose-driven people. Today, we'll explore 5 transformative ways pain molds you into someone extraordinary, with stories that will touch your heart and inspire your spirit. Let's dive into this journey of growth and discover how your struggles can become your greatest strengths. 1. Pain teaches you resilience. Napoleon Hill said, "Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle." Pain is the crucible where resilience is forged, teaching us to endure and rise above. Consider David, a father from Seattle. After losing his wife to cancer, he was left to raise their 2 young daughters alone. The grief was crushing. Nights spent staring at the ceiling, wondering how to keep going. But David channeled his pain into action. He joined a grief support group, learned to cook his wife's favorite recipes for his girls, and started a small carpentry business to provide for them. Over time, his business grew, and so did his strength. Today, David's daughters see him as their rock, a man who turned heartbreak into hope. Pain didn't destroy him. It taught him to bend without breaking, to face life's storms with unwavering resolve. Your struggles, too, are building a resilience you may not yet see. 2. Pain clarifies your purpose. Adversity has a way of cutting through the noise, revealing what truly matters. Hill believed that pain sharpens our focus, guiding us to our life's purpose. Take Lily, a young artist from Bristol. She spent years chasing a music career, only to face relentless rejection at auditions. Each no felt like a dagger, and she nearly gave up. But in her lowest moments, Lily realized music wasn't just a dream. It was her soul's language. She began writing songs about her pain, pouring her fears and hopes into lyrics. Her first independent album, born from those struggles, went viral online, touching thousands with its raw honesty. Lily's pain didn't derail her. It illuminated her path. When life hurts, it's asking you, what are you willing to fight for? Your answer could change everything. 3. Pain builds empathy. Hill taught that our deepest growth comes from connecting with others' suffering. Pain softens our edges, making us more human, more compassionate. Meet Priya, a nurse from Melbourne. As a teenager, she survived a car accident that left her with chronic pain and a long recovery. The physical and emotional scars were overwhelming, but they reshaped her heart. Years later, as a nurse, Priya noticed patients who felt unseen in their suffering. She began sitting with them, listening to their fears, and sharing small pieces of her own story to comfort them. Her patients often say her empathy feels like a warm embrace. Priya's pain didn't just heal her. It gave her the gift of understanding others' struggles. Your pain, too, can become a bridge to connect with those who need your kindness most. 4. Pain fuels determination. Every adversity carries with it the seed of an equivalent advantage, Hill wrote. Pain ignites a fire within, pushing us to prove we can overcome. Consider Marcus, a mechanic from Houston. After a factory accident left him with a permanent injury, he lost his job and his sense of identity. Bills piled up, and despair crept in. But Marcus refused to let pain write his story's end. He studied automotive engineering at night, using his savings to buy tools and start a mobile repair service. His injury forced him to innovate, creating adaptive tools to work around his limitations. Today, Marcus runs a thriving business, employing other mechanics with disabilities. His pain didn't define his defeat. It fueled his determination to rewrite his future. What fire is your pain kindling in you? 5. Pain shapes your legacy. Hill believed that our struggles create a story that inspires others. Pain doesn't just transform you. It leaves a mark on the world. Take Aisha, a teacher from Birmingham. After escaping an abusive relationship, she felt broken, ashamed, and unworthy. But Aisha refused to stay silent. She started a blog to share her journey of healing, weaving in lessons from her classroom about resilience and self-worth. Her words reached survivors across the globe, offering them hope and practical steps to rebuild. Aisha's pain became her legacy, a beacon for others to find their strength. Today, she speaks at schools, empowering young people to value themselves. Your pain isn't just yours, It's a story that can light the way for others. How will your struggles inspire the world? Napoleon Hill's wisdom shows us that pain is not the end of your story, it's the beginning of your greatest chapter. Through resilience, purpose, empathy, determination, and legacy, your struggles are sculpting you into someone remarkable. Take a moment to reflect. How has pain shaped your strength? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. If this video moved you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more inspiration, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Together, let's turn our pain into power and keep growing.